If your Google Drive storage keeps filling up and you're tired of old WhatsApp chats taking up valuable space, this guide is going to help you finally take control today. I'll show you exactly how to delete your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive in just a few simple and safe steps. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to Google Drive. You can simply search Google Drive or type drive.google.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you use for your WhatsApp backups. This is important because your backups won't show up if you're on the wrong account. When you're on the Google Drive homepage, look over to the left-hand menu and scroll until you see Storage. Go ahead and click it. This page gives you a full breakdown of how your Google account space is being used, including Drive files, Gmail, and most importantly, your device and app backups. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a tab or small icon labeled Backups. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the backups connected to your account: phones, tablets, and apps like WhatsApp. In this list, search for an entry named WhatsApp Backup. Once you find it, click on it to view its details. Double check that it's the right backup, especially if you've used multiple devices in the past. Now comes the final step, deleting it. You'll see a trash icon or delete button next to the backup details. Click it. Google Drive will ask you to confirm the deletion. Take a moment to be sure, because once it's gone, you won't be able to restore old WhatsApp messages from that backup. If you're sure, hit delete, and just like that, the WhatsApp chat backup is permanently removed from your Google Drive. That's all there is to it. Your device chats stay untouched, but you've freed up storage and taken control of your data. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.